How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well today. So, today's video is a vlog. Now, I haven't done a vlog before, so this is going to be quite a fun experiment for me to check it out, see how I do, all that type of stuff. But yeah, I thought, you know what, today, let's do a vlog, you know, in the day of the life of Mr. Cameron. But yeah, we've got a few things lined up for today. It is currently now just before 8. Still just woke up. As you can see, bed needs to be made. But yeah, we got a few things to do today, and yeah, let's see how we get on. But first things first on the list, please subscribe if you're new to the channel, leave a like, leave comments where appropriate, and yeah, let's see what we get up to today. So first things first, breakfast. Let's get to it. Okay, right, so for breakfast today we are going to be doing some scrambled egg on toast, some tomato and feta cheese. Now, I don't know about you guys, but if you never ever put feta cheese in your scrambled eggs, do it. Trust me, it is a vibe and a half. So yeah, we're gonna go straight into it. And yeah, I backed myself in the kitchen quite a lot. So yeah, enjoy the montage of me cooking some chow for the morning. And yeah, hopefully it will look good by the end of it. See you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so breakfast is served. Cole is behind the camera. He is watering at the mouth at this meal. So yeah, here you go. Scrambled eggs with tomato and feta. And of course, coffee. Now listen guys, important conversation. Do you put your milk first or your water first with coffee? Because if you put water first, you're a criminal and you deserve a life sentence. It's always milk first, guys. Always milk first. But anyway, Colin and I are going to absolutely munch all of this down.
Oh yeah, early morning breakfast for the count.
There you go. And I think it looks pretty good, eh, Cole? What do you think?
It's a bit scrappy on the
Nah, mate.
Nah, but it looks good. It looks
Looks good.
Nah, it looks flipping good.
There you go. We call this in the business, in the industry, food porn. Am I right, Skull?
Yeah, bro.
Well, guys, we're gonna chow quickly. I'll see you in a bit to basically detail what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day. So enjoy your breakfast or your supper or your lunch or whatever it is if you're busy eating while you're watching this. And Colin and I are gonna enjoy our chow now. See you guys in a bit. Alright, breakfast done and dusted. Just got out the shower, as you can see by the wet and messy hair, but we're going to be sorting that out in a bit. So yeah, we've got two things we're going to be doing today. It's a public holiday, so we thought, myself, my brother and some of the boys, we're going to go to the beach and basically play some footy on the beach. Just chill, relax, and we haven't done it for a long time. So yeah, we thought we we're going to be doing that. So that's one thing we're going to be doing today. And then the second thing is we're also going to be recording a music video. Well, being part of a music video, should I say. Well, who would have thought Cameron in a music video? But yeah, big ups to the boys Anthony and Moramong. They're going to be recording a segment for their music video. So yeah, I'll link some of their music in the description below. Please do check it out. They are Third World Order. They got some really lit and, exciting things coming up. So yeah, go check them out. So yeah, as you can see, not really dressed for the beach, but, formal / casual. Just to record, we're going to be taking some extra clothes with us to change while we're there. And yeah, see you at the beach. Okay, so we're at the beach. As you can see, nice weather. The wind is pumping a bit, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, we've been shucksed, unfortunately. We're not shooting a music video today, so it's just beach with the boys. You can see them down there, busy playing. You can see some boys over here. So yeah, we'll show a little montage of us just playing some footy on the beach. But yeah, so far, so good. Let's hope that the weather dies down a bit later, but we'll see. Enjoy the beach montage.
Everywhere I go, it's just all the same places, same faces, again and again. It's the same routine, nothing new it seems. This shit's getting old. Why can't y'all be real? Mixed messages like what's the deal? The truth is I'm not playing the field.
And I remember the old days, kicking ball in the gravel all day. Then I'd ask my grand for 50 cents and run to the corner house for something in the fridge. The old lady there made the best ice blocks. Me and my friends would sit by the rocks and suck on these motherfuckers lying to each other about girls we were chasing. Till this day I find it funny how niggas will make up stories about anything and everything. Don't you trust nobody? All I got is fam, so I got no worries. Niggas just a bowl of stiffs, no curry. I know way too many would've beens if only I stay straight instead of rolling dice, hanging with the homies, staying out late as fuck, smoking that shit, doing what they fucking want. They tease me for being a goody two shoes. Now I'm the only one who even has a.
No disrespect. Okay. But they're both new managers. Yeah. I just think it's been a bit strange since that incident with Klopp, bro. That's when I lost.
It's not even that. It's the way he talks, bro. Like,
Because I thought he was so friendly.
I couldn't believe what he said when in that press conference when he said Klopp also spent money over those periods of years.
No, but I don't 100% blame him for what he said. Because the journalists were twisting what Klopp said and then spelling it out to Lampard.
They do that though.
This is what we do most of the time.
They try to
Just talk about soccer.
They try to
Footy.
rattle up managers, bro.
Sibu! I got that one!
Cam's gonna add that hang sound.
Straight on repeat.
So yeah, just an update on the footy vibes. We're still busy going at it, as you can see over here. Some of the guys over there, I don't know if you can see. But yeah, it's been a pretty chill day so far. I mean, perfect weather for it, as you can see. And yeah, beach is quite packed, you know, Corona for who, Corona for what is COVID-19. But yeah, it's a pretty good day for it, so yeah, keep you guys updated as we go along. But yeah, it's been a sick day so far.
7 hours later.
So guys, that's been the vlog for today. We're still here with some of the boys chilling in the background. Say how's it, boys? Yeah, we're still at the beach. We've been here since 11 o'clock. It's now, what, 6 o'clock, guys? Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, we've been here the whole day and we ain't going nowhere.
Been here the whole day. But yeah, we're busy with the sunset at the
You're gonna
moment.
think I'm drunk. Cam's viewers, I'm not intoxicated.
Not yet. Anyway, wait for the bra later. But yeah, guys, thought I'd end it off with this beautiful sunset. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
Enjoy
Hope
this
you
time
enjoyed it.
lapse.
Make
Now-
sure you hit subscribe button, like
Yeah, guys.
button,
Let's take over Cam's
all
whole
of the
video.
buttons.
Hey.
Do you guys want to say anything?
Okay, I have one
No.
thing to say.
Okay, Ben, go for it.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cameron, back again with the video.
But yeah, anyway, thanks guys. Subscribe as always, leave a comment, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.